Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Windows security which is not opening in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, you need to search for command prompt. So simply type CMD and here, the command prompt window under the best match will appear. Go with run as administrator. So the moment you connect, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open this command prompt window as administrator. Here you'll be inputting a command which I'll be pasting at the description box below, so don't worry. So let me just copy this. Control V, then click on Answer. So it is the deployment imaging service and management tool system that will clean up and scan the health of your computer. Just have to wait until the process is done and don't leave this computer turned off. I mean, make sure that the command prompt window is open until the process is done. Once done, simply close this window and you need to go back here at the command prompt. So at the bottom search bar, type CMD again and go with run as administrator. And your account control will ask you once again to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open your command prompt. Here you would be inputting a command again, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. So don't proceed to this second procedure if you are not finished with the first command prompt yet. So make sure that you have completed the first command before you proceed here. Okay? So just simply click on enter once you have input this command, which is sfc space forward slash scan now. So this will do a system scan. This process will take some time. Just have to wait until the verification will be completed. Don't leave this command prompt closed. Make sure that it is opened and don't turn off your computer unless the process will be done. Okay? So this process will take 5 to 6 minutes depending on your machine. Just have to take a lot of patience with it. Okay? So let's say that you are done, then simply close this window and you need to restart your computer and check if your Windows security is now opening or working. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to the next step, which are here at the bottom search bar. This time you need to search for PowerShell. PowerShell, then here the best match will appear. Click on Run as Administrator here. Just have to wait until the Run as Administrator will appear. Now it's here. Click on it, and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed to yes so that you would be able to open your Windows PowerShell as administrator. Here you would be inputting a command again, which is I'll be pasting again in the description box below, so don't worry. So this a pretty long command. Let me just copy this, Control C, Control V, and once this is done, just have to click on enter and just have to wait until it's done, okay? So here type on exit, then click enter and you are able to exit the PowerShell. Here, you need to navigate the same process, which is you need to search for PowerShell again at the bottom search bar. Type PowerShell and wait for the best match, which is this, to appear. Go with Run as Administrator once again and simply click this when your user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay? So here in this PowerShell window once again, you need to paste this command, which I'd be pasting at the description box below. So all of this command that I have performed will be in our description box. So no worries for that. Control V to paste. Click on enter. And here you just have to wait until this would be done. So here, you need to type Y, click enter. The moment you've click on this, just have to paste this last command. Control C to copy, and then Control V. Once done, simply click on enter and wait until the process or procedure would be done. Okay? So don't leave this Windows PowerShell closed. And then let's say if you're done, then you need to restart your computer. So the moment you have restarted your computer, you're good to go and your problem is now fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.